Welcome everyone to this look at the 1TG tactical vest. This is a vest that they sent me to review, and I have to say I have found it to not only be quite comfortable and adjustable. I am not a small guy. I am about 6'3", 250 pounds, and I was able to get this adjusted so that it feels great when it's on me. I do like the chest rig to be a little snug, so it feels like it's unitized to me. And when you get the weight, when you put a plate in the front of this, and this does take a standard 10 by 12 inch plate, you want that weight close and tight to you to make it move with you if you're active with this vest on. Now, one of the things that I thought was really interesting about this, and I'm going to come in close here and show you this buckle system. If you're using this buckle, you can disconnect each one of these 4 connection points, one on each side down here for the waistband and one up here for each shoulder. If you're in real trouble and you grab a hold of this whole thing and just pull, it's going to release all 4 buckles at the same time. But if you're just looking to get in and out of this and not in an emergency, and you can just push on one side and release just one clip. And then you can take the vest off and put it back on, and you only have one connection to make again. And these connectors are super as well. You just get them lined up close, and then the magnets take over and it is latched. And once they're latched, they're not coming off unless you hit this button. There is a carry handle on the back, so that if you get into trouble or a member of your team gets into trouble and they've got this vest on, they can grab a hold of that handle and literally have a leash on you to get you out of trouble. So a lot of thought went into the design of this. It's got MOLLE everywhere on it. It's got Velcro everywhere. So if you wanted to load this up with a bunch of really cool patches, you could do that. You could add gear to this. You could add gear that comes on and off easily or is firmly attached with MOLLE. There is a ton of flexibility and options. And again, the adjustability for someone my size all the way down to somebody much smaller, I think it's going to work out really well. They did send this to me to review, but I have to say they don't get any say in what I talk about in my video reviews. But I found this to be comfortable, flexible, and I thought the attachment points were really innovative. You know, if you're crawling around and you get caught up in something and you need to get out of Dodge and you can't mess around, you can't just punch this button and get out of this thing in a second. I thought that was a really unique feature. Let's take a look at the whole thing. Yeah, like I said, this thing feels great when it's on. It feels great to train with. You can certainly put training weights in this, probably go all the way up to a 20-pound weight, I'm sure. But, you know, at the end of the day, you could put real ballistic plates in here too and get yourself some protection. Now, this doesn't really have provisions for side plates, and it does not have a provision for the back plate, but it does have a provision for the front plate. And again, it's a standard 10 by 12. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you all have a great day.